Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel with milk. Start by melting sugar evenly in a heavy pan until it turns a deep amber, then reduce heat and add warm milk slowly while stirring constantly to prevent seizing. Continue cooking gently until the mixture is smooth and coats a spoon, then finish with a pinch of salt or vanilla and cool before storing in a sealed jar. Choose whole or evaporated milk depending on desired richness, and always warm the milk first to reduce thermal shock. Use a heavy pan and keep heat at medium-low while stirring steadily to avoid burning or crystallization. If crystals form, add a splash of cream or butter and whisk until smooth. Measuring ingredients and patience are key because slow, controlled caramelization builds. If your caramel grains, gently reheat it and whisk in a small splash of warm milk or cream until silky. Prevent burning by keeping heat steady and moving the pan slightly while stirring. Avoid high flames. Use caramel as a sauce, filling, or base for custards and candies, and finish with butter, vanilla, or a pinch of sea salt for brighter flavor before cooling and storing in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.